Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you guys this natural style using the Afro twist hair and some flexi rods. And some of you asked me if that style could be replicated with the Cuban twist hair. So that's what I will be showing you in today's video. This time I'll be using the Cuban twist hair to do a half up, half down style. Thanks to Sam's Beauty for sponsoring this video. So my braiding pattern is pretty simple. I have one horizontal braid where I'm going to be doing an invisible part, and the rest of the braids are just going straight back. As usual, I divided each strand of the Cuban twist hair into 4 sections for this install. So here you see me installing the hair in the back. As you guys know, I like to maintain a medium density. So while installing this hair, I am trying to space the hair out as much as possible. After installing some of the hair in the back, I moved on to the invisible part. So here I'm just taking small sections of hair. I'm using about half as much hair as before, just to ensure that this part lays flat. So here you see me pulling the strand of hair under the braid and only pulling one strand through. I repeat this close together all the way across until I finish the invisible part. So this is what it looks like once I'm done installing the invisible part. You can go back and install more hair on your braids until you reach your desired density. So now I'm going to curl the hair using flexi rods. I'm using the same method that I did in my previous video. I'm starting off by finger detangling medium sections of hair, and then I'm going to go in with the paddle brush to smooth the ends out. I also decided to cut the hair in some sections since this hair was 16 inches long and I was going for more of a shorter look. So next you just want to wrap the hair around the flexi rods starting from the top. For this style I used small to medium sized flexi rods. So you're going to keep wrapping until you reach the end. And then you're going to secure both sides by bending the flexi rod. So you're just going to repeat these steps until you finish curling all of the hair. I try not to use too small sections just so my curls wouldn't be too tight. So after installing the flexi rods, I dipped them into boiling water and then I blow dried the hair on cool for about 2 minutes before removing the rods. The rods do not have to be completely dry before removing them, but before I separate the hair, I do like to make sure that the hair is completely dry. And the hair dries pretty quickly, so this shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. So now that the back is done, I am starting on the ponytail. I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel to smooth down my edges, and then I'm going to put my hair in a small bun. So for the ponytail, I wanted to show you guys a different method from the crochet method that I usually do. So I'm taking about 8 to 10 strands of hair and I'm putting a rubber band around it. For this style today, I'm simply going to take the rubber band and secure it to my bun. You'll see me adding more hair in a later clip because I decided that I wanted my ponytail to be a little fuller. And here I'm just taking one small piece of hair to wrap around my ponytail base. So this is what it looks like once I'm all done. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did for the back to curl the front. For those of you who may be wondering which hair to get for this style, I would say that both brands of hair are great options. The difference I would say is that the Afro twist hair is more soft. It's more of a silkier texture than the Cuban twist hair, so I think it gives more of a fluffy look. While the Cuban twist hair, as you guys know, is more of a kinkier style. The hair is more defined with the Cuban twist hair, and therefore the curls last a little bit longer than with the Afro twist hair. So anyway, guys, you see me fluffing and separating the hair without causing too much frizz. Then I'm just going to position the ponytail so that it hides my bun. And then that's pretty much it. Just fluff to your liking and you are done. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this style. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check the description box where I have everything I use linked down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.